I am an arms dealer, fitting you with weapons in the form of words. And I don't care which side wins, 'cause as long as the room keeps singing, that's just the business I'm in. 'Cause this ain't the scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't the scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't the scene, it's a goddamn arms race. Go! I should probably motion for them to go and not just scream. Whoops. But I digress. I'm the leading man, and the lies that we leave are oh so intricate. Oh so intricate. I'm the leading man, and the lies that we leave are oh so intricate. Oh so intricate. I don't know if I remember the rest of the song without it playing, to be honest, so sorry. But I was on my way to get my nose pierced, and fucking, they don't open until 12:30. Some people like me just want to wake up and feel pain. I mean, other than the extraordinary pain of waking up. Other than that, no such luck today, so I gotta go home and then I gotta go to work. I hate working late. I don't know why I work late every night this week. It's a little annoying, but it's okay. I'll get through it. So, anyway, what have you been up to? Getting through that day, aren't ya? I forgot how to loosen, and I'm gonna get a sandwich. You know what sucked yesterday? Well, not yesterday night. Day before yesterday night? Is there a word for that? Because there should be, because I'm constantly saying that phrase. Day before yesterday night. I'm gonna make up a phrase for that. And if there is one in another language, someone tell me, I'll just use that. I don't care. But, I tripped and I fell. And I'm not talking about on shrooms. I wish. Or acid or something. I mean, whatever. But no, none of that. I just was walking down the hallway and tripped and fell. And it was one of those things where like my knee like uppercutted my chin and my jaw like smashed together so hard that I have 2 fillings on the side, on each side right here, and both of them broke. And I was just like, yeah, I taste teeth in my mouth. I hated it. And I had to go all night wondering if I would get into the dentist before I had to go to work the next day. So that was fun. But luckily I went into work late that day, so I got to make it to the dentist and it worked out. But, you know, I'm constantly at the dentist, like, you know, stuff with teeth doesn't bother me anymore because how many times I break my face is out of control. Like, if you've watched my videos enough, you've heard at least in the last year, how many times did I break something in my face? 6? 7? 8? Probably 8. I honestly, because I'm sure at one point, I remember I broke 3 teeth at a time, which is the one I'm getting the bridge for. So, it sucks. And I actually still have a missing tooth right here. which makes me not want to smile. You'll notice that a lot about me. I don't want to smile because I have a missing tooth there. But I think I'm just, you know how long it takes to get an implant made? A long time. You know how expensive it is? Expensive. So the first thing I'm doing is the bridge on the bottom because, you know, they tell you what's more important. Like, I know, like, people want to look nice and whatever, but I'm going to do what's more important. And, I almost said health conscious first. It's me, health conscious. But, yeah, so they at least told me to get this bridge done first, which was $1,500. So, paid that. The bridge is being made, and in March I go and then I get it put in. But other than that, I have to wait for the tooth on top, so it sucks because I smile big and wide, and it's very weird to smile, to try and not smile like that, and I hate it so much. And then if I know I smile too big, I'm like embarrassed. But I don't think it should be taken as such an embarrassing thing, I guess, because I feel like people that have like super perfect teeth, I don't know if it's just because something in my head or what, but people that have super white perfect teeth, I'm just like, you have dentures, which is fine, but why am I going to be made to feel bad about one missing tooth right at the moment that I'm getting work done on than that, you know? And then these other people are just like, I don't know. I've had people make fun of me, and then I found out that like they don't even really have teeth. So I'm just like, what do you want me to do? I'm doing my best out here in the world today. But yeah. So I don't know. That was my rant on teeth. But I wish I could just rip all my teeth out right now and just have fake teeth that stayed in forever. I would do that immediately. Imagine you could like fall on your face, break any tooth you wanted, and it wouldn't hurt. You would do that in a second instead of having it hurt and having to actually like, I don't know, like deal with dental visits all the time, I guess. I don't know. That's just me, the person who breaks their face a lot. So, apart from that, I think I already said, yeah, I was trying to go get my nose pierced today. Didn't work out. They don't open till 12:30. I'm not going to get piercing my fucking nose. And that would include the second that they come into the store, which, no. I'm not getting my nose pierced a half an hour before I go to work. I'm also very tired. If you can't tell, I'm super fucking tired. But I actually wanted to post something because I haven't posted in a minute about life. A lot of it has just been me, you know, singing or whatever the fuck. And hold on, let me crack my neck. Ow. Okay. Felt good actually. I don't know why I said ow. But a lot of it's just been like me singing and whatnot, so I don't know. I wanted to update stuff. My kitties are doing okay. They still have leukemia, obviously they're gonna have it forever.